Hello, everyone. Welcome to the closing ceremony of AI against COVID-19 competition. Please feel free to introduce yourself in the chat and share your LinkedIn profile so you can build your network. Here is all professional people. So we will also have a networking session after this event, so you can join us and talk and grow your network. We should thank you all for your time and your effort. Today, we are ready to announce the winners of the competition. As you know, this competition was organized by IEEE site, the Darwin AI and VIP Lab. It wouldn't be possible without the excellent help of our collaboration and collaborator and co-host. We are so grateful for generous sponsorship of Microsoft AI and also support of the IEEE Canada and Montreal. Without further ado, I'm going to ask the Professor Wong to come to the stage and give his presentation. Professor Yang, are you here?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, I just want to introduce you and you can go after me.
Yep, sure.
Professor Yang is currently a Canada AI chair in medicine and in medical imaging. He is also co-director of VIP Lab and also associate professor at the University of Montreal. He is also the co-founder and CSE of Darwin AI. Professor Wong, it's all yours.
Perfect. Thank you for everyone for being here. And just want to thank all of the participants. We have a very large number of participants who've contributed great innovations as well as results for this particular contest. And I'm very much looking forward to talk to all of you today. So just with further ado, I just want to speak a couple things about what I've seen from the competition so far, and then we can continue. So it's been great to see all of the different innovations and techniques people are leveraging to achieve very high scores. For me, I think the scores have been quite well above expectation. And so kudos to the entire community for putting in this great effort. And as with the intention of this particular competition, which is to drive innovation in an open manner so that everyone will have availability to this, I'm really looking forward to working with the winning teams of the competition to spreading the word about their innovations in both a study format in terms of a research publication, as well as speaking in different variants about the different techniques people have explored. So for me, it's been quite interesting to see a lot of the different techniques people employed so far, ranging from new architectures, but more importantly, new ways of validation and training the data, as well as new ways of processing data and leveraging in very unique and interesting ways to get very good results. And so without further ado, what I'd like to do is kind of talk about some of the results of this particular contest. So I just want to confirm, Diana, do you want me to talk more about that, or?
As you wish.
Okay, so I think it's good for, I guess, Diana to switch over to you to kind of talk about, just to give people, I guess, a recap of the key criteria that we have for this particular first phase. So the goal of this first phase is to identify a set of top teams that would be able to then participate in our second phase. So I'll let Diana speak a bit more, and then I'll talk more about the, I guess, the leaderboard as well as the rankings so far.
Okay, well, as you know, the first phase of this competition consists of binary classification of COVID positive and COVID negative cases with X-ray images. And you are the experts in the area because you did great work. We had like 28 teams in the leaderboard, so congratulations everybody, because it's just a community effort, like Professor Wong just told us. So congratulations to everybody.
Okay, perfect. So I'm just going to continue a little. So as just to kind of recap the whole, I guess, goal of this very first stage is to leverage pretty much the data set that we've created as part of the COVID-19 initiative and test against a hidden data set and see how you perform. And so you were given a number of different opportunities to submit, I guess, submissions. And the final submission with the highest score will be the one used as to choosing criteria. And the top 5 teams from this first phase will then have the opportunity to refine their solutions and submit a proposal for a follow-up project to kind of like positively impact society as well as academic community. And so without further ado, I just want to say, do we have the slide of the list of 5 teams?
Yes, we will show that after the presentation.
Perfect. So, yeah. So what we'll do is we'll be announcing the 5 teams, and then we will continue from there. So I think that's what I'm going to cover right now. And so thank you for everyone for the innovative approaches, ranging from new training regimens, new way of processing data, new ways of ingesting data into different models, as well as new ways of actually refining the training process to produce models with high performing results. And so I'm going to turn it back to you, and then let's get into the winning solutions.
Thank you, Professor Wong. I'm going also ask Ahmed Adel to give his speech, and after that, I will ask you to come to the stage and when we are announcing the winners.
Perfect.
And thank you. Our next speaker is Ahmed Adel. He is a director of data and AI customer engineering at Microsoft AI. He is a professional in data science, cloud computing, and digital transformation. So we are ready to your speech.
Yeah, and thank you for having me. I will just focus on a couple of things. I mean, obviously there are lots of things to celebrate today, and yes, as Professor Wong said, beyond the results, the creative ways and approaches and different techniques that have been used and how we can take them forward. Also, one thing that that is actually interesting in terms of the timeline that we're all going through. I mean, some of the things that we all can start to celebrate is, hey, I mean, reopening is becoming more sooner, and there is acceleration in that, and we will soon start to see what everybody called the new norm. And with that, some things will go back to normal, but we all know some things will never turn back, and some of that is positive, like, for example, how businesses and the society and all of us have started growing more used to using technology more and using innovation more. So I believe that the things that we're celebrating today, which are your results, your approaches, and your techniques, and how you can take it forward, will be actually in a perfect timeline, in perfect coordination and synchronization with how Canada is well positioned to lead in this space and deliver a positive impact. So on behalf of Microsoft Canada, super excited and proud with the results that we are seeing. And I will get out of the way to make sure that I don't add more time before we announce the winners. So thank you, and congratulations to everyone who is involved and to the winners about to be announced.
Thank you. So it's time to announce the winners of the competition. Are you ready? So please use your emoji, because we are not in person. So please use emoji to show your support of the winners. Are you ready? Can you show with your raised hands? Okay, I'm going to ask Professor Wong and Ahmed Adel and Diana Gill to come to a stage, and if you want to add comment or congratulate to the teams. So the prizes is as before. We will give the monetary prizes to the 5 best teams, and we are looking forward for the second phase. So Professor Wong, do you want to talk about the leaderboard or the result if you want?
Yes, I will. So without further ado, congratulations to the top 5 teams. As you can see in the leaderboard, what you can see is that they're pretty much neck to neck with the top 3 places with extremely close results. So kudos to everybody. And one key things I always like to highlight is that the leader did not look like this, even a little earlier. It really shows the dedication of the different teams to really pushing forward and putting their all in, coming with new innovations. So I'm very pleased to see these results. And just to, again, congratulations to the 5 winning teams. So the teams are RTAI in first place.
The first place is RTAI. The team members are Romina Abadi and Tasnim Naibi. If you are in the audience, please feel free to unmute yourself and introduce yourself. We would be happy to hear your story.
Hi, I'm Romina. Thank you for the competition. We weren't expecting to end up in the first place, but we are really grateful and happy. And congratulations to all the other teams. I think it's a bit dependent on your chance where you end up. I'm sure every method has been really worked on and thought. Thank you so much.
Yes, and thank you so much for organizing this competition. We actually joined it just because we're new to machine learning and AI, and we just wanted to test out our skills because we just had a course. And it was a great opportunity, so thank you so much.
Great work. So the next winner would be Waterloo-kids. The team is Zhou. Yeah, sorry if I pronounced that wrong. Parnab Barot, Waleed Zafar, and Michael Zhou from the University of Waterloo. Please clap for them. And if you are here, please unmute yourself and introduce yourself.
Hi, yeah. We're just, I guess, a group of new graduates from the University of Waterloo. We just took on this competition because we wanted something to do during the summer with a little bit of downtime, practice some of our skills from some of our courses and experience from our co-ops and so forth. We did a bit of research into new techniques and try to combine a whole bunch of different tools together and try to get a good solution, and happy to be successful at this, and thank you for the competition.
Congratulations. Thank you for your time and effort. So our next team would be MES. The team member of Natasha D'Amico, Emmanuel Cordelli, Valio Garassi, Paolo Soda, Alessandra Perry, and Rosa Silica from University of Campus Biomedico di Roma. I guess they are from Europe. Are you here or?
Yes, hello, I'm Valerio. I'll be speaking for the team. And first of all, we wanted to thank you all for the competition. It was a really interesting task to solve. And yeah, we're a team mainly coming from Italy. And we all work at the University of Campus Biomedico, and we've been working on radiological imaging for the past years. So we wanted to tackle this competition to see if our methods work, and we were pretty happy with our results. Thank you.
Congratulations again. It should be, I guess, very late here.
It's 7 p.m. So not too late.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
So our next winner would be Concordia AI, IA from University of Concordia. We would be welcome Gilles Schneider and Hugo Kermabo to introduce themselves and say their story.
Yeah, sure. So thank you for the great competition. It was really interesting. So we are two students from Concordia University. Gilles is more specialized in computer science and AI. I'm in cybersecurity, so it wasn't really my field. But I found we found the competition really interesting and really enjoyed working on it. So thank you.
Yeah, and also we saw that you have a very nice website. Please, everyone, go and check their website. They have very good result there.
Thank you so much. Yeah, hats off to Gilles for making this this page. Thank you.
Our 5th place goes to UWeb. Unfortunately, we don't have much information about that. If you are here, please unmute yourself. Well, I guess they are not here. So
yeah. Wait a minute. So
yeah, Diana, if you have, sure, go ahead.
Yes, because the 5th place, we don't know exactly who is the team member. So they have until 1 week to answer our email after this announcement of the winner. So if in the case, if this team doesn't respond, so the 6th place will take the place. So
thank you, Diana. Professor Wong, Ahmed, Adel, do you want to add something?
Just really briefly, just congratulations to the winning teams. Kudos for the great work, and happy to be working with you for the 2nd phase and moving forward.
Yeah, absolutely. I think in the opening ceremony, I asked everybody that we're looking forward to be impressed, and you guys delivered. So congratulations to all the winners, and looking forward for the projects under supervision of Professor Wong.
Thank you, everyone. Now I'm going to invite our volunteer at IEEE site, Iman. Are you here?
Hi, everyone. Thank you, Mohammed.
Yeah, just to introduce you, she is a PhD candidate at ETS and coordinator of partnership at IEEE site, and also secretary at IEEE ETS. So please go ahead and give your special thanks.
So hello, everyone. Again, many congratulations to the 5 teams that won this competition. You did great, guys. You deserved it. So I will start by first thanking Professor Alexander Wong and Dr. Ahmed Adel for their incredible help in this competition. This competition wouldn't be possible without you. So on behalf of the IEEE site, we would like to give you a gift for this contribution you had in this competition. And for now, we will keep it as a surprise. And also, I would like to thank Mr. Hussein Abu Talbi, who's research assistant at Vision and Image Processing Group at the University of Waterloo. He was in charge of the technical details of the COVID dataset and making work the competition platform. Also, I would like to thank Mr. Mansour Nasr Shiragi. He's research assistant at Polygram's Research Center and IEEE Young Professional Montreal Chair. He reached out to many IEEE units across Canada and convinced them to become co-hosts of this impactful competition and helped us with the publicity in IEEE. Then I move to thanking Mohammed Javad Darwishi, our presenter. So he is a PhD student at Université de Montréal, and Mila, He's the vice chair and webmaster of IEEE site Montreal. He has done a lot of tasks from the very start of the competition, such as structuring the challenge, creating and updating our website, publicizing the event on social media, setting up our repository on GitHub, making World Competition platform, and today he's the presenter. And also, I would like to thank Moin Noferesti. He is the research assistant at INRS, and he is the IEEE site Montreal liaison to Hacking Health. He is also the IEEE Montreal Student Activities Chair. He has also done a lot in this competition. He started from the beginning by structuring the challenge, then organizing the networking session, helping with the sponsorship, publicizing the event on social media, and he also presented previous events of this competition. Also, I would like to give a big thank you to Andy Zhou, Maya Pavlova, and Hayden Gunraj, Siddharth Surana, Andre Chang, Saad Abbasi, Laura Zapata, Zoel Dudu, Diana Gill, the chair of IEEE site, and Naomi Terejan. So now I will move to giving the certificates. First, I will start by the certificate of Professor Alexander Wong, then the certificate of Mr. Ahmed Adel, then the certificate of Mr. Hussein Abu Talibi, and the certificate of Mr. Mansoor Nasir Shiragi, and Mr. Muhammad Javad Darvishi, and Mr. Moin Noferesti. Also, I would like to thank our co-hosts and thank them for their contribution in the success of this competition. And now I will lead the word again to my colleague Muhammad for the networking part on the spatial chat.
And thank you. So as I said, we have a networking session. Please come and we would be happy to see you all there. Thank you. I just sent the link to the chat, so you can just click and join us there. See you all there. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Have a good afternoon. Bye.
And congratulations again.
Congratulations again to everyone, and thank you for coming.
Yes, see you everyone in the spatial chat.